Hello there, it's Bill Mascas with MarineMax and Stuart. I want to show you this 24 Dorado from Scout. It's the boat that could, being it's such a flexible platform. You can do your fishing, you can do your cruising, you can do your entertaining, your sandbar boat, pretty much your everything boat. Let me show you around. From the transom, 300 V8 from Mercury Dorado. Underneath, I wanted to point out this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper stabilizing system. It's not a gyroscopic system, obviously, but this system, it works like a extremely fast trim tab and eliminates about 60% of the up and down on the boat in rough weather. Anyway, moving on the transom, we have a nice area on the back. The swing platform over here is very spacious. You can easily walk around. Live well here on the back with rod holders. Additional rod holders over the starboard side. Nice beefy cleats. The unique hardtop setup that matches the lines of the boat. This boat is equipped with the optional port bench seat. You see them all in open position. Actually, this seat over here can be flipped around so you can join this social area back here, or face forward with the passenger seat flipped backwards and the table that removes itself totally on the side of the boat when you don't use it. But this is another social area. Then across you have a sink with a cutting board, storage, and a Yeti cooler right underneath it on a sliding platform. Helm seat right in the front. Nice 10-inch Garmin with a vessel view, your stereo, lights and the battery controller, remote control. Digital throttle, start-stop switch, including your key over there, and a glove compartment with charging, as well as cup holders, both sides. Moving forward, you have the head area. I apologize, we have all the cushions in there, but it has a nice vacuum flush toilet. Storage over the other side. And then the welcoming bow area with the speakers, nice grab rails over the sides to help you feel safe. Although the boat and the seating, you can see it's very deep. Going further forward, you have the windlass, 2 cup holder rod holders and the cleats, and as well as a remote control for the windlass. VHF radio antenna. The lighting switches. Nice storage area in the center and the bilge on the back. Also, you do have some storage for a gaff hook or a brush, whatever else you need over this side. Nice spacious boat. It's rated for 11 people. Although I would say you can comfortably entertain 6 to 7 people. Thank you for watching this short presentation for the Scout 240 Dorado. It's Bill Mascas and we are in MarineMax in Stuart. Please go to our website or call us to make an appointment. We'd be delighted to show you these boats and the rest of our inventory. Take care.